5 Facts about Moisturizer. A moisturizer, or emollient, is a cosmetic preparation used for protecting, moisturizing, and lubricating the skin. These functions are normally performed by sebum produced by healthy skin. Moisturizer is the most important part of skincare. After cleansing, washing, and harsh weather conditions, our skin can be left feeling dried out and dehydrated. That's where the beauty of moisturizer comes in. After skin loses moisture, it also loses elasticity, which can result in wrinkles. Moisturizers help by locking in liquid or draw or water from the innermost part of the skin. According to Harvard Health, for our skin to feel smooth, the stratum corneum, outermost layer, must contain at least 10% water, preferably more. Without adequate water, the skin's outer layer becomes full of cracks. Overly dry skin may also become red and itchy. Moisturizers work by replacing water, not oil. However, oily substances, occlusives, are added to moisturizing creams to prevent water evaporation and to help the skin hold water in. Humectants are often added to moisturizers to attract water from the air to the skin. Emollients in moisturizers are substances that make the skin feel smooth and supple. Some moisturizers also contain vitamins, and some contain menthol to cool the skin and reduce itching. Because of the various skin types that we have, there are also various moisturizers that work for everyone. If you have sensitive skin, be sure to stay away from moisturizers loaded with fragrance. If you have oily skin, avoid products with added oils and other ingredients that are bound to clog pores. For warmer weather, stick with a lighter moisturizer that won't clog pores and cause breakouts, and during the colder months go with a heavier cream formula. Moisturizing isn't just for the daytime. After cleansing your face at night, you should be applying moisturizer as well, because it works faster on your skin while it's in resting mode and not exposed to weather. Skin dehydration is a result of a combination of factors: genetics, eczema-prone skin, skin barrier dysfunction, habits, excessive and frequent washing that depletes the skin lipid layer, environmental, dry weather, air-conditioned spaces. Aging also lowers the production of sebum, lipids and hyaluronic acid. Even eating a fat-free diet and increased alcohol intake can contribute to dehydrated skin. The best time to apply would be immediately after a bath, followed by towel drying, within 3 minutes, when the skin is still damp. Use moisturizer over all areas, especially hands and legs. Choose a moisturizer with plenty of vitamins with an SPF of 15 to protect your skin during the day. Also use lotions that non-comedogenic, won't clog pores, allergy and dermatologist tested. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.